Hey guys, welcome back to some more CES coverage. And while we already got a sneak peek at what will be available for Asus ROG in 2024, it's their non-gaming business's turn to wow us with everything that is hot and new in their lineup. We will get some solid upgrades and redesigns across the board, and in addition they will have quite the ace up their sleeves that I personally cannot wait to get in my hands as soon as possible. While Asus and even ROG to some extent have quite a bit of experience when it comes to designing dual-screen laptops, they took it a lot further this year with their completely redesigned Zenbook Duo. While last year's version moved the keyboard to the lower edge of the chassis to make room for the second display, Asus's engineers went all in for 2024. While a 14.5-inch 120Hz OLED sounds nice for the main screen, how about two of them? That's probably what they thought as well, and very much like Lenovo's Yoga Book, what was formerly the base unit of a traditional laptop, now houses a second display that spans the entirety of their very clean looking and well-made notebook. Unlike Lenovo's option that made you carry the keyboard outside of your notebook, Asus sandwiched a fully functioning assembly between the two displays. And not only does it connect with a set of pogo pins once it magnetically snaps in place, but you can use it separately from the laptop thanks to its Bluetooth connection. To further increase your flexibility when using the two-screen beauty, the Zenbook also features a built-in kickstand for an easy horizontal two-screen setup, or for when you rather use a pair of OLEDs side by side in a vertical orientation. While the Duo packs of course quite a bit more heft than its single display counterpart, Asus kept the weight in check and outfitted the productivity monster with some pretty robust I/O. With a pair of Thunderbolt 4s, HDMI 2.1, a headphone jack and a single USB-A. Interacting with both screens is as flexible as the laptop itself, and alongside both OLEDs being touchscreens and pen enabled, Asus also adds some software its and bits to manage windows, some virtual keyboard shenanigans and quite the array of widgets and plugins for a wide range of applications. Powering everything will be Intel's Meteor Lake flagship, making the Duo not only the perfect companion for all of your entertainment needs, but with all the CPU grunt and added GPU browse of the new Arc iGPUs, will turn the two-screen Zenbook into a proper productivity powerhouse. I just really hope they will make a version with a dedicated GPU in the very near future. Alongside the new Zenbook Duo, Asus also adds some new models and refreshed notebooks to their mid-range Vivobook lineup. The completely new S-series is focused on mobility, and as is typical for this series of notebooks, it comes in a variety of different flavors and screen sizes. And while you can choose between your desired CPU platform, they all share some pretty neat looking OLED displays refreshing at 120Hz. The non-S variant is trading a slightly thicker chassis for some more robust connectivity options, and comes in a total of 4 screen sizes and once more OLEDs across the entire lineup, that is powered by Team Blue's latest Meteor Lake Ultra 7. Last but not least, the super thin Zenbook S13 also gets refreshed with the latest and greatest both Intel and AMD have to offer, and with a neat looking chassis that does not skimp on I/O despite being incredibly thin. This is quite the capable entertainment and productivity machine. If you want to read up on everything Asus launched today, please make sure to head on over to our website. We have individual news for almost all products, should you be interested in anything in particular. That should be it from my end today. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell thingy so you won't miss anything from our CES coverage. Trust me, there's a lot more coming. Thanks a ton for watching. My name is Alex. You've been awesome, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. Take care.